Today's mountain bikes have never been better. Straight out of the box, you're rolling on something with sorted geometry, great components, and ready to take on your next adventure. Browsing CRC, forums or Facebook and seeing what's new in the world of bikes is a daily ritual for most of us. And before you know it, an insatiable desire to customize, tweak and tune takes over. In preparation for this year's International Day of Dirt, we're taking this already epic Nukeproof Scout and turning up the dial on some of its key components, replicating what you might do to your own bike over time. And get this, once we've upgraded the bike, we're going to give it away to one of our lucky viewers. To find out how, keep on watching this video. We're starting this project with one of the biggest upgrades you can make to a hardtail, and that's with the suspension fork. Not only does the fork soak up harsh impacts, but it also allows the front wheel to track more accurately, providing increased grip and stability, all resulting in a more enjoyable ride. It was a tough call between a handful of forks, including the MRP Ribbon, Manitou Matic and Fox 36. But in the end, we couldn't look past the reliability, adjustability and ride quality of the much-loved RockShox Pike. One of the most iconic suspension products in mountain biking history, the Pike has set the standard for trail forks with its unrivaled ability to handle small bumps, big hits and repeated pounding with ease. We are supercharging our Scout with the RockShox Pike RCT3 fork, complete with 150mm of travel. Here's a quick look at how we fitted it, and if you want to see the full video, just click on the link in the description. Did we make the right choice of fork? What would you have chosen? Let us know in the comment section below. Don't forget, we're giving you the chance to win this souped up Nukeproof Scout. For your chance to win, just click the link in the description and head to the Hub website to enter. Tune into the next episode where we're going to be taking the Nukeproof Scout and upgrading the group set. In the meantime, hit subscribe so you don't miss a thing.